Dear learners, good morning to everyone. Thank you very much for joining us in our platform model at Lunisali University of Blida in Algeria. Today we're going to present our fourth lecture titled What is a digital and an electronic document? So I have divided my fourth lecture into the following elements as follows. What is a digital document? What is an electronic document? Language activities including building vocabulary, pronunciation, and grammar. Finally, our assessment including quizzes, tests, exams. So what is a digital document? It is one that is paperless in its original form, like an invoice that's sent as a PDF file via email. So what is an electronic document? Digital documents and electronic documents might seem like the same thing. These two aren't actually synonymous. Simply put, an electronic document contains static data that's transferred from one computer to the text. For examples of electronic documents include emails, digital purchase receipts, and digital images. Language activities, digital as an adjective means connected with the use of computer technology, especially the internet. For examples, advertisers are putting more and more money into digital marketing. We live in a digital age where everything can be downloaded. Finally, please learners, don't forget to take a look at your different types of assessment, including quizzes, tests, exams. Thank you for your attention. See you next time.